Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add a poll in Slack. Creating a poll in Slack can be an incredibly effective tool for gathering feedback, making group decisions, or even just having a bit of fun with your team. Whether you're deciding on the next team lunch spot or gauging opinions on a project deadline, polls are a quick and interactive way to engage everyone. In this guide, we will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you can effortlessly set up a poll within Slack. So let's dive right in and make your Slack experience even more collaborative. To kick things off, let's head over to the Slack website. Once you're there, you'll notice an option to sign in. This is your first step towards creating that interactive poll your team will appreciate. Simply click on the Sign In button. This process is quite straightforward, but essential to get started. For a smoother experience, especially if you're already signed into your Google account, click on Sign In with Google. This not only saves you time, but also spares you from entering your login details again. You'll see a list of Google accounts you're currently logged into. Choose the one you use for Slack, or add a new account if necessary. With just one click, you're advancing through the setup process smoothly. After selecting your account, a Continue button will appear. Although it might seem like a minor detail, clicking Continue is crucial. It ensures that all permissions are properly set up, allowing Slack and its integrations to function seamlessly. Once you've signed in, you have the option to use Slack in your browser. This is particularly useful if you're using a shared computer, or simply prefer not to download additional software. Click on Use Slack in your browser to move forward. Now that Slack is open in your browser, locate the Apps section on the lower left side of your Slack workspace. This is your gateway to enhancing your Slack environment with various integrations, including the ability to create polls. Click on Apps, then proceed to Browse Apps. This opens up Slack's app directory, a treasure trove of functionalities that can greatly expand what you can achieve within your Slack workspace. Here's where the fun begins. In the app directory, search for Simple Poll and add it to Slack. Simple Poll is a highly user-friendly tool that allows you to create polls directly within Slack, making it an ideal choice for our task. After adding Simple Poll, navigate to the channel where you'd like to create your poll. This could be a general channel, a project-specific channel, or any other channel relevant to the question you want to ask. In the message box, type poll and hit enter. This command triggers the Simple Poll tool, where you can craft your question and options. Fill in your question and the possible answers you'd like to offer in the poll. This could range from deciding the next team meeting time to choosing the team's next virtual hangout activity. Before sending your poll out to the team, click Preview to see how it will appear. This is a great way to ensure everything looks just right. Once you're satisfied with the preview, click Create Poll, and there you have it. You've successfully created a poll in Slack. Now sit back and watch the responses roll in, making your team's interactions more engaging and democratic. Creating a poll in Slack is a fantastic method to involve your team in key decisions, gather opinions, or simply break up the day with something engaging. By following these steps, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate this interactive feature into your daily Slack use. Happy polling! Hopefully you now have a better understanding of how to add a poll in Slack. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.